What's up, guys? It's back with another YouTube video banger, which today we're going to be doing is a Crumbl cookie review. And yeah, are you coming, Karen? You coming? I started the video. Say hi. That's my sister. And they gave us extra cookies.
You gotta move your camera over back so you can see, bro.
What do you mean?
That way.
This way?
No, like move it more when it like no, girl.
You
Move your head.
I am.
No, move it.
Oh.
No, set it up right here. And like tilt it or something.
It's not gonna hold. Let me see your Stanley. Let me see your Stanley. I'm so cold, y'all.
Ingredient.
Okay, which one should we try first?
You gotta try the ones that we don't think are gonna be that good first.
I think this one isn't good.
No, we're gonna try that one last. That one looks the best.
No, this one looks the best. Wait, let me show them.
No.
They're gonna say it was big.
Which one should we try first, yeah? Which one should we try
Wait,
first?
hold on. Let me show the camera. And then the lady gave us extra cookies. But yeah, I think we should try the Oreo one first. Yeah. I mean, not the black one. Is it Oreo? Did you guys get chocolate chip or no?
No.
Okay. But we don't get chocolate chip. Ew, I got something on me.
Cookie frosting. We're gonna try. I don't think that this one's gonna be good, so we're gonna try this one.
Okay.
Yeah, let's see what this
Show them
one's
which
called.
one.
Put the camera more on me, bro. I had to make bigger. Okay. I'm about to see right now.
Well, let me see
It's the dos leche. Yeah.
Why you don't think that one's gonna be good?
I don't know.
We
I
got
think
the
it doesn't.
Dolce
it just-
Leche.
Why are you touching it?
Oh, the caramel is good.
Oh, it's camera. Fork.
What camera? Why are you? They're gonna report me.
Who gonna report you?
YouTube. I already got it reported.
Being too young, huh?
No. People my age. YouTube. I got reported. I got copyrighted.
Cause you're having music in the back.
And I got banned. Not banned. I got reported. I want this piece.
You wanna try some TJ?
Let me get my piece. Wait, we try it all together, y'all.
Yeah. Here.
This is gonna be good, Karen.
You shouldn't have tried it. Oh, I think you tried it already. Okay.
3,
Alright.
2, 1. Everyone rate it.
No.
It's not bad. I'll give it like a 7.5.
Yeah, it ain't.
Like a 7.5.
I'm gonna finish eating this. Oh, this is good.
That just gave me like fall nostalgia.
Yeah, it is.
This tastes like fall.
It is like sticky noodle.
Yeah.
I've been to my baking era, and I've been baking more of his teenage stuff. And I'm gonna make something different this week, but I don't know. Like, I've been baking banana bread, mostly, like banana chocolate chip and stuff. But something else that I bake, I don't know yet.
What are you gonna bake?
I don't know. Maybe something.
Try.
I don't know. Fall.
Let's try birthday cake.
Birthday cake?
Mm-hmm. We're trying birthday cake next. Let me see the
I need a
cookie.
napkin for the knife. Give me a napkin for the knife.
You don't want what?
Entertain them, Karen.
What'd you say?
I don't want her birthday.
Why? Why do you have so many cups on one, Jay? Oh, only two. Okay, it was a lot.
Which? Let me see the cookie. Let me see the birthday cake. Show them it. This is the birthday cake one. Literally, that cookie was like a 7.5 for me. Like, they could have did better. I can see what they were trying to make it. Like, I don't know how to explain it, but like, yeah.
No more.
Big bag. Is it nasty?
The frosting tastes. I don't like sprinkles. Maybe that's why.
I know. I'm not a big fan of sprinkles. Comment down below if you guys like sprinkles. Or if you don't, why you give me a small piece?
I give you the bigger piece.
Why?
Cause I want the small piece.
Okay, 3,
No, I really don't like sprinkles. Bless you.
cheers.
For 3.
2, 1.
It's not bad.
It's so
It
bad.
tastes like,
It tastes like
what are those like round cookies that you find in the store? Like,
Brown.
no, the round ones. Like,
sugar cookies.
yeah. It is a sugar cookie. I think because it is a sugar cookie. It's not. I would like
They could have done better.
an 8. I mean, classic. It just doesn't taste bad.
I give it like a 7.
Okay. I also don't like frosting. I mean, not frosting. I don't like sprinkles. Maybe it's a texture thing. I don't like sprinkles at all. I'm gonna try. Let's try one of the cakes next.
I'm scared.
No, they're the same thing when they're one cake. Okay.
But guys, we're gonna be trying the cake. I'm scared of
Are you
it.
forgetting how sweet Crumbl cookie is? I knew that'd be hitting me. Or yeah, I don't know why we're using that. Let me try cookies plastic.
Thank you.
Don't try it yet.
I'm trying like a little piece.
Did you try it, Kina?
No.
Oh. Okay. I want some of this too.
3, cheers.
Put on my
Let me try this too. 3, 2, 1. I'll give that a solid 4.
I like it. I do too. I give it a
7.5.
7.
Oh.
It's not horrible. Ooh.
It's good. It's a little tangy though.
That's
Yeah,
nasty.
it's definitely very tangy.
Wait for me, y'all.
The aftertaste is like, ooh.
It's really tangy, but it's good though.
What is she doing?
It's not too sweet at all.
I like it.
Like at all.
Where are all these stains are coming from? I may be young, but I'm ready. Roll up. Okay. Oh, this one's fragile.
Wait, Karen.
Oh. Well, I have 3 more. Those are all fragile. Damn. I'm ready. This is what this one looks like. I forgot what this one was called. It was like Oreo cookies and cream something. I know cookies and cream Oreo. Let me have some of that. Why'd you only put ice in here?
I think it's ice. Don't drink all my water now.
Okay, I'm ready.
Guys, she drinks.
This one just tear a piece off because then you don't even need to cut it. So, I thought you were. I want to get this.
Yeah. 3,
2,
1.
It's like an Oreo cake. Like an Oreo mug. You know the mug cakes you be making? Oh, look,
This tastes like brownie and Oreo mixed together.
It's a lot of chocolate for me. On a drunk night, I would tear it down. It's just a lot of chocolate.
I think this is 8 out of 10.
Definitely tastes
Really?
Of course, Tina. I'm sure you do.
No, it's
I'm
because.
sure you love it. It tastes like
No, it's because. Then. It's.
Mind you, there's a pack of Oreos sitting in front
It's 3.
There's water drop on your face. Alright,
Okay. Save the best for last.
we did. Ooh, okay.
What?
The skillet cookie. Strawberry skillet.
Should I even cut this one?
That sounds nasty.
What?
Love what?
I don't know it. I'm in Arizona, y'all, though. I forgot to make a YouTube story about that.
I don't know why I thought this was ice cream on top of it, knowing that it would have been like.
Staying
It,
like
it would have
Yeah.
been
It's like a
melted.
cream.
Don't give me a big piece, because that looks nasty.
What I tell you about judging?
The skillet cookies are the best one. Eat. I'm trying to eat it. Okay, now.
That gonna be a big one. Nope, that's too big.
There ain't no.
I'm putting a little too much frosting.
It just looks so nasty to me. Oh, you guys didn't show her the cookie
Yeah.
There you guys.
already.
You get the gist.
You can look it up on the app.
This just looks like so
And
much.
or you can look
This
it
is
up.
a skillet cookie.
It tastes good though. The frosting.
Okay, it's not. Okay, that's a lot of frosting, but
3,
I want the strawberry. Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Oh yeah.
I give it a solid 10.
All this is.
You
We're talking all
like
that
it.
shit about it.
Solid 10.
It's
Please, you were-
solid.
I'm not gonna. Don't give me this one. I'm not gonna like this one. Look at you. This one's good. I give this one like a 9.
This can do better.
No, for sure.
You gave it a 10. So what you mean I could do better?
I gave it a
Those guys,
solid.
Mm-hmm.
I like it.
This is really good.
That was the best one.
This is my favorite one.
We only have one more cookie, y'all.
We don't have one more cookie. Maybe that's the same cookie.
Oh.
Cookie.
Guys,
There's
we're
just
done.
Everybody can try some.
Thank you for watching our Crumbl cookie video. Come here,
Yeah, I'm Jessica the coolest. Peace, y'all.
guys, pick a cookie because I need it for the.
You're gonna make a thumbnail.
Pick a cookie that you want.
Pick up the cake and be like.
Great, wait. Okay, 3, 2, 1.